Hey, this is Florian with another Mindset Shift. Now, in this series, a couple of weeks back, I started to share with you my takeaways from an amazing event we had in Gothenburg. So, for those of you who don't know, Live2Lead, it's a global initiative by the John Maxwell Company, which gathers top voices in the personal development industry in a live event in Atlanta, Georgia, which is broadcasted around the world in hundreds of locations, and we had thousands of participants this year. Now, one of the speakers was Chris Hogan. And Chris Hogan is a leading voice in creating wealth and financial freedom, and he's well known about his book Retire Inspire. It's not a number, it's a financial number. And so Chris is on Dave Ramsey's team of speakers and is one of the most sought after motivational speakers. Now, what he shared at the event that resonated with me, he said like that. He shared a story with one of his coaches that when he was playing football, that helped him, to impact someone else's life. And the question that he asked us, or he invited us to ask ourselves, is whose life did I impact today? Now, for those of you who are following these messages, you might know that I share with you a 5 steps process that I use to reflect upon my day at the end of the day. And some questions that I ask myself are, and this is again something that John Maxwell share with us, is who did I met today, what did I do, and what did I learn? And now a fourth question that I would add to this process of reflection is, whose life did I impact today? I think this question is so powerful, and it resonates again with something that I share with you, I think, about, or if I haven't shared, I will share about what I learned from Angela Arendt, who also, the idea of adding value to someone else, impacting someone else's life, and that is not about us. So I think this was kind of the theme of the event, is that it's not about us. And so the mindset shift that I invite you to make is to consider this question in your reflective process. If you have a process where you take even 5 minutes of your day, and then when you put your head on the pillow, and even if you don't write down those thoughts, even if it's just those thoughts going on in your mind, but ask yourself, who did I impact today? Whose life did I impact today? And if you have that in mind, and then if you start becoming intentional, be intentional about how you spend your day. Like if today you ask yourself, whose life did I impact today? And you don't have an answer for that, then maybe you want to be intentional tomorrow and be more intentional and strategical to impact someone's life. So the mindset shift that I invite you to make is to make it about someone else. Make it less about us, because I don't know who to. I think it was Zig Ziglar who said, if you help enough people get what they want, you will get what you want. And so I think it's from the same team. You if you think about whose life did I impact today, and then become intentional in impacting someone's life, you would be successful. That was the mindset shift I want to share with you today. Thank you for tuning in. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.